Welcome back, everyone. Today we've got a brand new feature to show you called Shadow Cut. This feature helps weed patterns faster by cutting a shadow around the entire pattern. Select your template and then in the upper right corner, click on Shadow Cut. When I zoom in, you can see it's created an outline around the entire pattern. You can also add other patterns to the artboard and create shadow cuts around each of those. This makes weeding these large templates much faster and saves film. Now that you've added a shadow cut to each pattern, you can add more or arrange them to your preference. You can also add and arrange all of your templates separately, then select them all to add a shadow cut to the entire artboard. Last, make sure that adding a shadow cut does not cause the cut to be off the artboard or overlap any other templates. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.